Are cruise prices set to drop? Is the pent-up demand that we've seen coming out of the pandemic starting to come down a little bit? We are seeing signs of it. My name is Derek Phillips from Island Time Travel, and I want to share some signs that we are seeing that the cruise market, the pent-up demand, the price for cruising is starting to come down. I want to spend a couple minutes on this today. You and I have cruises booked. We love cruising. We're paying a lot of money, and we have been for several years now. And we know that if prices fall, that probably you and I will cruise more. We're okay with this. We're starting to see some signs of some pricing drops and less demand. Royal Caribbean Group shared their Q1 2025 earnings yesterday. While they beat their earnings were not as great as what they have been in previous earnings reports. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings shared their earnings today. And Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings even shared that they lost $40 million on $2.1 billion of revenue. They lost money. Their stock, by the way, is down about 10% today. They share, there's multiple reasons for this. I won't share all the reasons, but they have assets in Europe that are not selling very well. The prices are down. They have a lot of ships who have been in dry dock, which cost a lot of money. Not only does the process of a dry dock ship cost money for the dry dock, but the ship is not selling and making money as well. They are investing in new ships. They shared that. They've invested $29 million in marketing compared to Q1 this year over last year. But it's not a great quarter at all. And we're starting to see prices drop for 2026 and 2027. The demand has been built up so much the last several years. The pent-up demand that sometimes, as the saying goes, as things go up, and when things go up, they must eventually come down. I encourage you to look at your 2026 and 2027 sellings. If you've already booked a cruise, check for price drops. Amanda and I do this every single Monday for our clients. And usually we save around $2,000, $2,500. That's the norm, or has been the last several years. But the past 4 to 6 weeks, that number has more than doubled. Saving money for our clients because cruise pricing is coming down. If you have a cruise booked, check your price. If you don't have one booked, you may check 2026, 2027. You may like the price. Book your cruise now. Get your price protection. So if the price falls even further, then you can get that money back. I wanted to make this video today to share some of these different things that's going on in the marketplace. It's going to be interesting to see where things go over the next several weeks. If you need help booking your cruise, you want someone to check your price weekly, let us know. Email us travel@bookislandtime.com.